Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're going to be doing an unboxing! But before anything else, if you're new here, welcome, and if you're a returning subscriber, welcome back. I'm trying to reach 3,000 subscribers this year, and we are already so close, guys. So if these are the types of videos that you like watching, I would really appreciate it if you could hit that subscribe button down below. And if you want to connect with me in my socials, it's at Trisha Camille on TikTok. So this is actually a bag that I got very early on in the year. I just didn't want to unbox it on this channel just yet because I felt like I didn't really have an occasion to do so. But since it's nearing Christmas, I thought, why not? I think I can finally unbox this to celebrate the season of Christmas. So this is the box, and this is actually a bag that has been on my wish list for a very long time. This has been very long in the making. This bag has been on my luxury wish list since like 2017. So it has been a very long time. But it's only now that I found it in the price that I was willing to pay for this type of bag. And also it's not the exact combination that I wanted, but this was at a really good price. And it was already something that I knew I could already settle with, considering that it was very close to the exact combination that I wanted. So I just pulled the trigger on this. So it is pre-loved. This is from Lux In, and I've already purchased quite a few items from them. And so when this bag came up on their page, I just knew that I had to get it. So without further ado, this is the box, and we'll open it. It came complete with the original box and even the wrapping paper. This is the bag. And so this is the bag. Oh my gosh, guys. Look at how beautiful. This is the Lady Dior Ultra Matte in calfskin leather and in the small size. And she is just so beautiful. Look at her. Like, it's just the perfect natural color. This is in the color Fard, but I believe the Ultra Matte Fard is in like a darker shade than the regular Fard in the lambskin. But on the website, this is also called the Fard color. So this is called the Ultra Matte because all of its hardware is in a matte color in the same shade as the bag. And the finishing of both the hardware and the leather is in that matte kind of finish. As you can see, it's not shiny when the light hits it. The hardware on the Lady Dior's would usually be like a gold or a silver, and it's shiny. But for this one, since it's an Ultra Matte color, it is in matte hardware. And even the leather, as you can see, usually the leather of the Lady Dior's, it's in lambskin. So when light shines on it, it actually gives that very nice sheen. But for this one, since it's in a calf and matte leather finish, this is the effect that it gives, even with light shining on it as so. This is already in the new version where the opening is a flap type of opening versus the zip compartment that they used to have. So the older Lady Dior's used to have like a zip for their opening, but the newer versions already have these, and so this is a newer version which I really like. And for the interior, as you can see, it's not the ganache fabric that they usually have on the regular Lady Dior's. This one is in a microfiber interior, which I find is more luxurious. And as you can see, when you open it, there's just one pocket on one side and then one zip pocket on the other. It also comes with 4 feet, as you can see, and the condition of this is really great because even the corners have no scuffings, as you can see over there. It's only the feet that have some wear on it because, of course, when you put it down on solid surfaces, that is really gonna wear. And it also did have some minor chipping on the hardware, as you can see over here. I'm not sure if you can see that. Just one minor chipping there and one little one over here. And that's basically about it. So that's why I was able to get it at a great price, because of the minor chipping, but it's actually not very noticeable unless like you're really zoomed in. So to me, that was already a great deal because the leather was really well maintained, and that's what's important for me because it's what makes up the majority of the bag. So the leather was in really great condition, no scuffings, no peelings. Even the handles, it's really, really clean. No marks, no dirt. So that was really a green flag for me. It did have light color transfer at the back in the beginning when I got this, but then I cleaned it up and it actually cleaned up really well. So now you can't even see it anymore. So now this bag looks like it's almost brand new, except for the chipping, of course. And then, of course, since it's the size small Lady Dior, it's called the ABC Dior. It also came with a long strap. Now, this is the strap that it came with. It's also in matte hardware, and this is the newer version of the My ABC Dior. So it came with this kind of strap, because the older version of the small Lady Dior had like the pins. So I'm not sure what you call that anymore. I think previously the My ABC Dior was called the My Lady Dior Lucky Badges bag. So it had like clips over here, like 3 clips, and then you could customize with whichever badge that you want. But they discontinued that style. It's the same size of bag but with a different strap, and this is now the My ABC strap. And what you can do with this is you can customize it with like your name. So they come with like different letters. You just remove this little strip over here and then you slide in the charms. So you can customize it to, I think, up to 6 letters. So you can do like either letters, charms, and other designs. So this one actually came with initials. It came with like 3 initials, which I know is like the custom. When you buy one, you get 3 free charms. But those weren't my initials, so I decided to buy new ones, and this is just what I customized it with. It's my initial T with the Dior B charm, and then this long Dior charm, as you can see. And the Dior charm is bedazzled, so it's really nice when it's on your body like that, because it really gives like a nice sparkly effect. So putting the strap on the bag, this is what it looks like. And when I wear it crossbody, this is just what it looks like on me. As you can see, this is where the charms fall, and it just looks really nice as a crossbody. And so when you carry it on the top handle, this is just what it looks like, and you can easily remove the straps. So what I really like about this bag is its size. I initially really wanted the Lady Dior in the mini size because I thought it would be perfect for parties, for formal events, because it's just like a nice handheld bag. And those formal event bags are really the bags that I didn't really have yet. I felt like the mini Lady Dior would really fulfill a purpose in my bag collection because I don't have anything like it. I don't have anything that serves that specific purpose. But when this small size came out, and this size was priced at my budget for the mini Lady Dior. So all this time when I was looking for a mini Lady Dior, I had a specific budget for it that I was willing to buy it for at pre-love price. And for the longest time, I couldn't find it in the price and the condition that I wanted. But this popped up. It was priced in the same budget I had for the mini Lady Dior. So I felt like it was really just a no-brainer, because aside from it being in the same price, it's also in the larger size. This is in the small, so it's more versatile. I can carry it as a top handle bag. It comes with a strap, so I can wear it as a shoulder bag. I can also have it worn crossbody, so I can actually even wear it traveling. Whereas for the mini Lady Dior, I felt like it would really only fit the purpose of like a gown bag, because I don't think that's something I can wear to travel, especially since it's so small. I feel like my travel essentials would definitely not fit in there. But for this one, it's a great size, and I realized that even if it's in a bigger size than the mini Lady Dior, it doesn't really fit significantly much more than a mini bag would. So even with this size, I feel like because of how narrow the width is, it still limits the capacity of what you can bring in this bag. But so far, I love this bag. Oh my god, I can't believe that I already have this. It's been a long time coming. Definitely a dream bag for me, and I can't wait to wear her. I'm actually already unboxing this on the channel, so I can finally wear her on my trip this Christmas. So watch out for my outfit videos on TikTok for that. So yeah, that's about it on my unboxing of this bag. I will do a follow-up review on it once I've worn her and used her for a while. But for now, this is she, and I'm so excited to wear her out. So that's about it. Thanks guys for watching. I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, I would really appreciate it if you could hit that subscribe button down below. Again, I'm already nearing 3,000 subscribers, guys. So please follow if you haven't. I'll see you guys soon in my next video. Bye!